Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've filmed a video and I am so sorry. It's been a long journey of why I haven't putting up videos. I was sick the first week and then afterwards that I had an eye infection. I had pink eye and that took about a week for one eye to recover, and when I thought it was finally over, it caught up to my other eye, and then that came to another week. And yeah, it's been really a long hell of a ride journey, but I am back here. Grateful that you guys are also here too. But for today's look, it's a requested look. It's a quick and easy makeup routine for work. Also know that all the products that I use will be listed down in the description box, so go check them out. And with my social medias are all down there too, so I would not be upset if you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Yeah. But before any of that, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and click the bell icon too, so that you know that when I upload, you'll be notified at all times. Now let's get into this video. So right now I only have a moisturizer on and I'm going to go with the primer. I'm using a shimmering primer from the Face Shop as like a subtle inner glow. Oh, by the way, excuse my big red ass bump. Like it literally had to come out when I have to film. Thank you. Next, I'm using a cushion type foundation just for a change, and if you have any other foundation that you love, you can use that too, but I feel like this is very natural for me. Like it has a natural finish and I just wanted to change it up a bit. So because I have very intense, for me personally, dark circles, I'm trying to color correct it first before I go in with what is it called, concealer. And for the red bump that I have, I'm gonna go in with a green color correcting thingy, whatever it's called. So, like, my clumsy ass spilled all of that, so I'm just going to grab it on my mini sponge instead and just place it. The concealer that I'm going to use is actually full coverage, but the thing is that I'm only going to be using it in certain areas so that the look is still natural and it's not as cakey, or it doesn't look as if you're wearing makeup at all. Set my foundation, I'm using a loose translucent powder. This is from Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and I'm gonna use a bigger brush to apply that. To set my concealer, I'm using the translucent powder, the secret brightening powder from Mercier again. So I chose this eyebrow pencil from NYX, and I chose the color that's the most similar and exactly to the natural brow hair color that I have, and I'm gonna just fill in just the middle and the end part. So as you can see, I'm only filling in the areas where it's like not as dense, so you can see the difference between this and this, but this still looks natural as hell, and it's not as like in your face Instagram kind of brows, you know. And then I'm setting the eyebrows with a clear eyebrow gel from NYX 2. So I just want to tint some color back into my eyes because I look a little bit pale right now. And I'm going to just grab this from the Holika. I'm putting it all over my eyelid and then dragging it to my lower lash line. From the same palette, I'm picking up this other color, then it's matte too, and I'm putting it on the corner of my eyes. You want to draw it as close as possible to your outer lash line, and I'm dragging it on my lower outer corner too. And that is basically it for the eyes, you guys. I'm not drawing any eyeliner because I want to keep it as natural looking as possible. Because we're trying to get that natural looking effect and you're on the go to work, I'm going to skip out and leave out the eyelash part. You can put on like fake lashes if you want, a natural looking one, that's up to you. But for the purpose of this video, and because somebody requested to be purely and really natural looking and she can't really apply that much makeup on, I'm going to keep it as natural looking as I possibly can. We're going to just use the bronzer to put some color back in our face, and we're going to avoid the contour, and then we'll just go in with the blush afterwards. I'm using a really subtle blush color from Tarte, the color Party. Just wanted to look as naturally as possible, like I said before, so I'm skipping the highlighting part, although that's like one of my favorite parts to do. So for lipstick, I like to go for something that is very flattering for my lip color, and also that is as close as possible to my lip color. If you want to just leave it as it is, you can just put a chapstick on and you're good to go. There's also those Maybelline baby lips that you can use too, which has a little tint of color and it's actually very natural looking too, so you can use that as well. See, it's exactly like the tint of my lip colors. That's why I love this color so much. Lastly but not least, you're gonna set this makeup in place. Even though it's very light, you're still gonna set it. I'm using the Aura CC Mist Fixer from FaceIt. And there you go, you have a really quick and easy, simple makeup routine that you can do for every day and when you go to work. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so, and comment down below if you guys loved it or if this was helpful in any way at all. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!